Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith, that's Smith in the Black here, and I get a lot of questions about drawing triangles and broadening formations, and the thing about it that I'll tell people is that you just have to identify that that phenomenon exists. You don't have to draw the lines. I'll show you how telegraphed the SPY was, what it was going to do this week, okay? So, what you need to understand is that an outside bar that takes out either side of the previous range, that's a broadening formation in itself, right? Because by definition, broadening formations take out previous highs and lows, right? So here, on Tuesday, we had an outside day. That's something you're going to want to know about, right? Because here, we went up, right? And then as soon as it changed back red and starts dropping through, because we know that phenomenon exists, right? If they did it once, they might do it again because the broadening formation, by definition, is getting bigger, right? So if they took out this high and that low, once, they might do it again. And what would it look like? It would make a higher high, price discovery, and then fail by going red here, right? So that's technically a 2 up, but once it starts coming down here and then close, it didn't take that out. But it was a lot closer to doing that than it was reversing higher. So we fully expected to take this out, right? Come on Thursday morning. Did it on a gap, right? And so what that does, if this was a 2-day chart, this is an outside bar of all that. Now your broadening formation is bigger, as you can see. Took out that highs and lows like that. And now it did it again here and here, right? So as this gap down, it was a 2-2 continuation to become an outside bar. But then it starts rallying back. And now once this starts going green, right, and gets back into here, right, then it's back into the original broadening formation right here, right? And it's bright green coming back. So at that point, if we're not going to get a reversal back down when we closed yesterday, we expected to take this out, to take that out, to go into the highs. That's a 2-2 reversal back up. Now these two are an outside bar of all this. And that's how the broadening formation gets bigger, right? And when you want to identify when people are getting killed, the price discovery is too tight. See this? Price discovery is way too tight. It's just sitting there doing nothing. Then we're going to discover higher, discover lower, all right? Then we're going to close here and be like, all right, let's try it higher again. Nope, now let's try lower again. Nope, now let's try higher again. And there's your broadening formation. So it's not that hard. It's very telegraphed when you know what you're looking for and you know what you're looking at, right, as opposed to horizontal lines. Broadening formations are how price discovery works. Hope everybody had a great week and has a better weekend. Hope this helps you out too. All right, I'm Rob Smith, this is Smith in the Black channel.